Hi loves! Welcome or welcome back. This series is all about Wearable Bright, so if you're new to colour, this is the perfect place to start. Stay until the end to see more shots of the finished look. I prep the eyes with a light concealer to ensure the colours pop, then use a light cream shade from Kiko to carve out the brows and add a highlight. Next, I'm applying this pastel yellow shade from this Revolution palette using a large eyeshadow brush, blending it above the crease in sweeping motions and extending it into the outer corner. Using the same brush, I'm layering on this rich yellow shade, blending from the crease to create a smooth transition, buffing into the first shade. I'll also extend this shade into the V corner. Next, I'll take a smaller brush to deepen the crease with a darker yellow, then use a short flat brush to sweep that same shade across the lid for added intensity. Next, I'm picking up this purple shade with a smaller brush, focusing it along the lower lash line, softly blending it into the outer V and diffusing it downward for a blown out effect. I'm now taking this deep purple on a pencil brush and applying it close to the lower lash line to add depth and intensity. Now I'm using this purple liquid pen liner to create a classic winged look. I'll then add this gold shimmer on a short detail brush and apply it to the inner corner to highlight. I'm now taking the purple liner to draw a precise inner corner point. I'm now going to tightline the lower and upper waterlines for added depth. Before mascara, I'm priming my lashes for extra volume, then applying a volumizing mascara from root to tip. To finish, I'm adding MAC false lashes. Now I'm going to finish off the face by contouring just under the cheekbones, hairline, along the bridge and tip of the nose. I'll add a touch of blush to the cheeks, followed by highlighter on the cheekbones, down the nose and on the cupid's bow for a golden glow. For lips, I'm lining with MAC's Whirl Lip Liner to shape and define, then applying MAC's Modesty Lipstick. Then I'll finish off with some clear lip gloss for a high shine glam finish. And that's the final look. If you found this tutorial helpful, give that like button a hug and subscribe. Sharing is caring, so feel free to send it to a friend or reach out for collabs. For more looks and reels, follow me on Instagram and DM me if you have any questions. I really appreciate your support. Thanks for hanging out. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.